Hey y'all, welcome back. Alright y'all, so it is the next day after my birthday. I woke up, only had like 3 pieces of lashes on each eye, so I just went ahead and took them off. And then I ain't feel like doing no makeup or nothing today. It's like Sunday, like girl, who better do that? Just got my all black sweatsuit on, my Ravens hat, some hoops, and my purse. I had to go to take my nieces and nephew to Disney on Ice. So it's a chill vibe today. And you only can, it's a piece of hair. Got it. And you only can bring like clear bags in there, which is crazy. Like, you gonna be in my business. I don't like that. I'm also supposed to be cleaning, because as you can see, everything is very much everywhere, because it's like this was my birthday week. Who felt like cleaning? Not me, but it's all right. I'm good today. So I'm gonna clean up, and I'm going to grocery shopping and get some supplies that I need for this apartment.
Take a picture for my records. Thank you so much.
Hey Jay, let me see your toy. You don't care, huh? You want fries or no? But don't get it if you ain't gonna eat it, because it's fine. Oh, your bubbles.
Hi, on my show.
Yeah, you like it? Say hi.
But each twinkling star is a star. A magic carpet. Can your friends believe this? Holy moly, small things never change.
So this is me trying to do all this other stuff. Whew, I'm tired. Alright, y'all, so I just got in the house. This is all of the groceries. I'm so tired because I just had to carry all this multiple times up 3 flights of stairs. This is the kitchen. Since it's like going on 10 o'clock, I'm just going to clean the kitchen and put the groceries away. And I'll do the bathroom in my room. Oh, I'm so tired. I'll do the bathroom in my room on another day. So I'm just going to show you guys me doing that. Okay, so now we're back. I had to go take that hat off and put this wig up in this bonnet because it's super hot. So after going up and down the steps that many times, I'm kind of thirsty. So I'm going to get me some water first. And then I'm just going to go ahead and get this together. And then we'll do the groceries after.
Going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off, I used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call into work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink and we could burn some. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through. or DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck will focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook up, they just wait on me to cook up, baby. I heat up the stove, you do the dishes, you know. Rap game, crack game, ain't that different, you know. Last album had it booming, something vicious, you know. And you know I need you back in my life, girl. You know you got that thing that I like, girl. You got that thing for real. When I was on a mission to make it, who used to sleep on the floor with you when you lived in the basement? Who else got all the things you need at 4 a.m. when it's late? I always pour you up a drink to let you burn something. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through, come through.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in a humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go up tonight. Hoes and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight.
Y'all, I did not realize I had this much stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this stuff away because it's 10. Let me pull out my phone. 10:48 and I gotta go to work tomorrow.
Living inside a dream. I slay where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you.
So I am just gonna go ahead and put it away. I was gonna show you guys me putting it away, but I ain't got the energy to set up camera for angles and all that. Alright, so I know I said I wasn't gonna show y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all me doing the refrigerator and probably the pantry, but I'm not sure yet. Now the freezer was too difficult for me to show y'all, so I just took out my stuff and got it sitting out on the counter because I just got finished wiping it out. So now I'm about to just go ahead and put everything back in while also putting my new stuff in. Duh.
I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
To the pantry. Ain't that the thing when they say to the salon? Let's see how this pantry look now.
I'm so deep in my bag like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Sex game goes stupid, stepping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. My hood, I look fly, I look good. I know you wish you could. I look fly, I look good.
Alright, so this is the freezer. Real stuffish. This is the refrigerator. And this is the pantry.
See, you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No, I'm more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh.
Alright, so I'm about to go ahead, call it a night. Let me get in the shower, figure out what I'm going to wear to work tomorrow, and go to bed because it's 11 o'clock right now.
Decide you like yourself, when you decide you need someone, when you don't have to